it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is called Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. So we are going to be working with the, second or third week of May, depending how you look at it. So it is from May 12th through the 18th. And if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I am so glad you're here to spend more time with me. So this book is called Blue Gold Symphony, and it is from E-Star Case. If you guys end up purchasing stickers from them, you can use code Kasia. That will give you 12% off. I truly appreciate anytime you guys use my codes. It helps me greatly. And yeah, let's get to it. So I pulled out the Spring 2.0 from Mojo Jojo Plans and the Blue Gold Symphony book. There's so many blue things in here, and it looks like there's different seasons too. So let's go for it. This is so fun. I can't really stop myself from using this. So yeah, let's go and do this. So first and foremost, let's put this villa down here, because why not? Look how stunning it is. Like all of these blue and yellow hues are stunning. I do want to add this girl as well. But before I do that, let's go ahead and draw some checklists. So I don't draw lines, I just draw bullet points. And I keep it pretty clean, and then I can write one line or two lines depending on what I need. Sometimes my to-do list is very long. So I am taking some time off this week, and it's going to be staycation for me. So I am creating a pretty huge to-do list of things to do around the house. And I'm gonna do some like get-togethers with friends and family. So that's what my plan is here. Hopefully that works out. So I'm just gonna keep going with this. The pen I'm using, it's Pilot, and it's 2.5 high taxi. It is so faint. It's beautiful and very, very thin. If you like something like that, that's what I've been using in my journal this month, and I really, really do like it. So I didn't even realize that they make skinnier than 2.8, than 3.8, because that's what I have in my Muji. So yeah, these are even skinnier, which I love. So yeah, let's go ahead and fill all of this out. Now that I have all of the checklists, we can insert boxes. Okay. Okay, so let's add this girl, I think. She can sit like on from Wednesday to Tuesday, facing that way. Even though she has boots, like it's still springy and sometimes slightly cold in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with placement of everything. So it's going to be like a summer, spring, a little bit of everything. And here I am going to try to stick with this book, and then the Mojo Jojo. I'll try not to go outside of this book and see if we can create a really beautiful spread with just those. So let's do this. So I'm gonna cut this washi in half like so. So let's do that, because that is too thick, but I do want to include some washi here and there, and I think that will really look good. So let's go for it. I'm gonna take half, but it looks like it didn't cut all the way. So I'm just gonna freehand it. It might not be perfect, but it is what it is. So I'm just gonna pull it, and look, yeah. You can always do these on like the trimmer, and those work really well. I just didn't feel like pulling all of that out to do the washi. So If you have like the slide ones, oftentimes sold like in Five Below dollar stores and stuff like that. Those are really fantastic for cutting washi, to be honest. So let's apply this. So I'm just marking off some days that I need to mark off, and then we'll go from there. So I need that plus Thursday. So let's add that. I think that looks good. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I need more decoration for sure. I am very unsure of what I want to use, so I'm just playing kind of around to see what I can include. I'm going to remove some of these lines up here to include this beautiful sticker of a dress, and the full outfit. Technically, look how pretty this is, like so freaking stunning. So yeah, we're gonna include that. Um, Maybe later, like in the morning, it was cold and she's wearing the sweater and jeans and boots. And in the afternoon, she's gonna go out on a date or something and change into this lovely outfit that's like laying next to her or standing next to her. So that's kind of the narrative that I tell myself in my head whenever I create scenes in my planner. It's just easier for me to have a story like so than anything else. Yeah. Okay, so outside of these like large 3 stickers that I have, I'm gonna see what else I want to put in here. For right now, I'm gonna be adding boxes to every single day. As you guys know, I do enjoy my back boxes quite a bit, so there should be no surprise that this is where I like am going. Look at this jar with florals too. I want to go ahead and include that somewhere. How about we do it like right in a note section right there? Okay. Next up, I'm gonna cut up some flowers and include them into this spread all over. I think that will enhance the look and bring those colors that I want to include, like those kind of like champagne brown with those blues. I think they look stunning. So I'm just gonna cut different florals and place them kind of all over the place until I have a good fit of what I want in here. So outside of flowers, I don't know if I'm gonna need much, but I am going to be adding, like I said, quite a bit of those guys. But yeah, so far so good, and these are beautiful. I do have a lot to write in this week. There's a lot of stuff going on. I usually have pretty busy weeks, especially when I'm off, because then I'm catching up on like all of the stuff that needs to be done. So I want to make sure that it is being followed through. Okay, let's see. I don't know. Like, look at these. Do you see there's like a whole winter vibe here? Yeah, I can't use winter. Or I shouldn't use winter. These boxes are stunning too, but I already used all the like blue ones. So yeah, not gonna work. Okay. I think I don't know. What about if I added like a little bit to that huge box, because that is the largest box of the week, and I'm just gonna rip it off like so. I think that looks good. Um, yeah, that's a little bit more balanced. And then I need to add more stuff. So, what should I do, you guys? I wish you could tell me. Okay, so let's keep going because we'll never be done, even though it looks pretty full. I do want to add something to the Thursday box. I'm not sure. I'm gonna be searching for it till I find it. But there's a whole page of florals in there. And usually that's the easiest way to kind of fill and spread. So what about, yeah, that looks good. I'll just keep it like that. And let's cut this and add some to the side of the villa to like finish it off. You see what I mean? Like that looks already so much fuller. And I can like write stuff in around it as well, like in big letters or like, I don't know, I'll figure it out. So that is the sticker book. I do need 4 little stickers from here for my work schedule, and I do keep track of my days off as well. So that's what we need to put in, and after that I am pretty much done with this. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you think of the sticker book and what you think of the spread. But again, this is going to be available, or it's already available, on eStarCase. I particularly bought this from Mooboom, but those stickers take a lot longer to come to me than the ones from eStarCase. Anyway, so that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And if not, if you're already not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you would do so. But thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon for another Plan With Me. Bye!